How we doing, folks? James Barr here, Junior Sales Executive over at BMW Joe Duffy Charlestown, and today I have this stunning BMW 5 Series 530D xDrive M Sport. Let's take a quick look around her. She comes in the carbon black metallic paint finish with the BMW LED lighting, front parking sensors, the iconic BMW kidney grille with the silver trim. Come around to the side, you have the BMW spoked alloys on run flat tyres with the M Sport badging and the blue brake pads. The silver trim coupling surrounding the windows, the shark fin aerial on top. Come around to the back, you have the BMW 530D badging, the xDrive badging, the twin exhausts, rear parking sensors, and the automatic trunk. Now let's take a quick look at the interior. So now that we're inside, you can see the fully digital cockpit with the BMW multifunctional paddle shift M Sport steering wheel, the automatic headlights, fully electric windows, collapsible mirrors, the BMW teleservice on board, the pedestrian safety system, the automatic transmission, the e-brake, 360-degree parking sensors, the BMW iDrive system on board. The interior comes in an ivory white Dakota leather with a dark wood trim finish. Also on board is the BMW SOS service, enhanced Bluetooth, heated seats, keyless push button start ignition. This car is fitted with a comfort mode, sports mode, and an Eco Pro mode. There's many other extras included on this 2017 BMW 5 Series 530D xDrive M Sport. If you have any questions about this car or any car in our fleet, please feel free to contact us at BMW Joe Duffy Charlestown. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video.